Hey guys, hope you have an awesome day. In this video we're going to be doing some paper craft. We are going to make a cute bunny like this, a paper bunny.
Just one bunny?
Well, just one bunny, yeah, that's kind of boring, but we can maybe make more bunnies. Maybe 2 bunnies or a whole family of bunnies, 4 bunnies. How about that? Now, isn't that cool? And we're going to show you how you make that as well. It's going to be super easy. All you need is a nice sheet of paper like this. It can be coloured paper, it can be white paper, any paper that you like. We're going to need something to draw with, some pens or markers, and scissors for cutting, of course. Now, scissors are sharp, so be careful. Maybe you need a parent, or if you've got a responsible older brother or sister, they can help you with that, or an adult, a responsible adult, they can maybe help you as well. But there we go, let's get started. Alright, so we've got our paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half. So we're going to put that aside, and I've got one prepared earlier. We're going to end up with 2 long pieces like that. So one is for you, and one is for me. And all we're going to do is do some folding first. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. So you just take one side to the other. Make sure it's lined up. And press nice and firm down there. Yeah, and then we're going to fold it once again. Fold it in half. And then we fold it again in half again. We end up with a very thin piece of paper. And we basically fold it in half 3 times. Alright, so now we're going to get our pencil or pen or whatever you're drawing with, and now we're going to start drawing our character. Now, because it's folded, and if you look at this bunny here, this is how it was before. So we're actually only going to draw half the bunny, because then when you unfold it, it becomes the full bunny.
Yeah.
Now, the very important part that joins all these bunnies together is that their hands are joining. So that means that when you're drawing the arms, just make sure the arms are touching this side, the right side of the paper. So, because then when you unfold it, then they will be all holding hands together. Alright, so you can just do a bit of a sketch of the rabbits. Remember, we're doing half the rabbit.
Yeah.
So do a bit of, at the top here, draw a bit of a head. And we'll draw some nice big ears like that. And then we're going to go down and draw the head. And just leave a little gap there. And when we draw the arms, we're going to draw the arms out. And again, just make sure that they are touching the edges of the paper. Right, and then we're going to draw a bit of a belly. And then nice big foot or leg. And the bunny's bottom. And now we're going to start cutting very shortly. So all we have to do is cut along the lines and make sure that you leave some of this paper joined. So you stop the cut there and start there again. Alrighty, now again, scissors can be sharp, so you may want to get an older person or an adult brother or sister to help you with that. So all we're going to do is cut along the lines like that. And just cut to the edge. Make sure you don't cut it round before the edge, because otherwise they'll all fall apart. And then just start there as well. And then just keep following the lines. And when you're done, it should look something like that. Half a bunny. And all you need to do then is unfold it, and then you've got 1 bunny. And then if you keep unfolding it, you've got 2, and then 4. So there you go, you've got your 4 bunnies there. Look at that, that is pretty cool. So that's the cutting part, and the next step is to
draw a face.
Yeah, decorate them. And this is the fun part. You get your marker, or you get pencil, get something to draw with. You've got a marker there, and all you do is you just start drawing faces. And there we go. We've finished. We've finished colouring in our... Well, we didn't colour in, we decorated our rabbits with faces, and you can make all sorts of funny, silly faces there as well. Just like you have done on yours. They look all pretty funny. It doesn't have to be rabbits, you can make them cats and dogs as well. And there you go, nice and easy, you can fold it up. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you had lots of fun cutting rabbits with us, doing some paper cutting, nice and simple. Again, play around with it. Try all different faces, try different animals, try different coloured paper as well. And it'll be really cool. You can use this maybe for Christmas decorations or birthday decorations or or birthday cards or whatever. So you can use it for whatever your imagination can think of. Yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching, hope you had lots of fun. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other videos for you to enjoy, lots of arts and craft and drawing videos there as well. So thanks again, see you next time, bye!
Bye!